Hello, welcome to ISE 2020 and Unitech Systems booth. Here we show some of our stuff for flat panels and projectors and more. I'm going to show you here the unique manual wall mount for flat panels with telescopic extension from wall. This model comes in three sizes, providing 96 centimeters extension from wall, 116 centimeters extension from wall, and 135 centimeters extension from wall. It provides full rotation of flat panel by 100 degrees at both sides, and wall arm swiveling at 165 degrees. Maximum load capacity is 50 kg, and this model can be used from TV sizes from 42 inches up to 85 inches with no problem. Unique in features, can help you show your TV at the other room. For more information about our products, please visit our webpage www.unitech-systems.gr.